Next important chemical we are going to study is bleaching powder. Before discussing that, can you say the meaning of bleaching agent, or what is the difference between bleaching agent and disinfectant? Okay, a substance which removes color from colored substance and makes them colorless is called bleaching agent. So substance which removes color from colored substance and makes them colorless is called bleaching agent, whereas a substance which is used to kill germs or bacteria is called a disinfectant. So one is the agent which removes color, the other one is which kills germs. Okay, keep it in your mind about bleaching agent. Now we are going to study about bleaching. What is bleaching powder? Bleaching powder is calcium oxychloride. Bleaching powder is calcium oxychloride, or it is also known as chloride of lime. So either you can write calcium oxychloride or bleaching powder or chloride of lime. So in the examination they can ask in any names. If they are asking, write the formula of chloride of lime, it is bleaching powder. Okay, the chemical formula of bleaching powder is CaOCl2. CaOCl2. That's why it is called calcium oxygen oxychloride. Calcium oxychloride. So what is bleaching powder? Bleaching powder is calcium oxychloride. It is also known as chloride of lime. Its chemical formula is CaOCl2. Preparation of bleaching powder. So last class we discussed chloralkali process. Chloralkali process. There we seen three products. Which are the three products? Sodium hydroxide, chlorine and hydrogen. In that I told you the products are very important for the preparation of other chemicals. So one of the product is chlorine. Here we are using chlorine for the preparation of bleaching powder. Okay, so chlorine is used for the preparation of bleaching powder. How it is prepared? So it is prepared by passing chlorine gas over the slaked lime. All of you know that calcium hydroxide is slaked lime. Calcium hydroxide is commonly known as slaked lime. Okay, so when chlorine gas is passed over slaked lime, what we get is bleaching powder, calcium oxychloride plus water. So how it is prepared? Passing, you write this sentence, the same sentence, passing chlorine gas over slaked lime. Over slaked lime, passing chlorine gas over slaked lime. So this is a simple preparation. Study this equation without mistake. CaOH twice plus Cl2 gives CaOCl2 plus H2O. Next we are going to study the properties of bleaching powder. Properties of bleaching powder. First property is it is a white powder which gives strong smell of chlorine. So all of you have seen this bleaching powder. It is used as a disinfectant, isn't it? For cleansing the water. It is a white powder which gives strong smell of chlorine. So it is a white powder which gives a strong smell of chlorine. Second property is it is soluble in cold water. It is soluble in cold water. So the small insoluble portion always left behind in the lime present in it. So it is soluble in cold water. Then third property is it reacts with the dilute acids to produce chlorine. So when bleaching powder is treated with an excess of dilute acid, all the chlorine present in it is liberated. Okay, and the remaining product is calcium sulfate and water. So when bleaching powder is treated with the excess of dilute sulfuric acid, all the chlorine present is liberated. The equation is CaO Cl2 plus H2SO4 gives calcium sulfate CaSO4, chlorine plus water. So the chlorine produced by the action of dilute acid on bleaching powder acts as a bleaching agent. So the real bleaching agent present in bleaching powder is chlorine. So the bleaching action of chlorine is due to its oxidizing property. Some colored substance turn colorless when oxidized by chlorine. So this is due to the presence of chlorine in them. Okay. Next is uses of bleaching powder. First use is it is used for bleaching cotton and linen in textile industry. So it is a very important application in textile industry. They are using for bleaching cotton and linen and for bleaching wood pulp also. It is used for bleaching wood pulps in the paper. So very important substance in the textile industry and paper industry. Third use is it is used for disinfecting drinking water supply. It is used for bleaching drinking water supply. It is used in the manufacture of chloroform. All of you know that this formula of chloroform is CHCl3. So what is in it? Chlorine is there. So bleaching powder is used in the manufacture of chloroform. Next use is it is used to make wool unshrinkable. It is used to make wool unshrinkable. And the unshrinkable chulungadirikkan. Okay, it is commonly used for making wool unshrinkable. Then bleaching powder is also used as an oxidizing agent in many chemical industry. Okay, it is used as an oxidizing agent in many chemical industry. Okay, so these are the important uses. So many other important uses are there. You have to study 5 uses. Commonly in the examination they ask 2 or 3 uses. Okay.